I found the perfect place to set up the camp. This will be my camp. Where does the wind come from? What? A helicopter? No way! I'm going to be blown away! Fly away from here! No! No, that was my perfect place! Ah! What a great place to camp. It suits me. It's perfect here. There is where my camp will be. So, this was your camp? No, this is my place. I came first. I'm sorry, honey, but Emma never gives in. And even more so for someone like you. This is my place. What don't you understand? Oh well, I can't talk to the poor for that long. It's time to suit up. Let's start with a suitcase full of things. Come on, assistants. Unpack all the things right now.
We're here, yeah, and not a problem. Unloading your things. Come on, help me, Kenny. Sure. Oh, why is it this long? Oh, I did it. Okay, now we're setting up the tent. The basis is almost ready. And perfect. Come on, there's the hole right there. Oh yeah, you're right. What else should we do? This is the way you hold up the instructions. Hey lady, be careful. Ouch!
She bit me with sticks. I need tree branches to build my tent. Well, we'll put it here. Great. Connect the branches together. Or no. It's not working. What should I come up with? I need to remember what we learned in crafts lessons. I should be able to do it. Oh no. Come on. Hooray, it worked. No. It's a nightmare. I'm not lucky at all. Okay, try again, but we'll add more branches. Just like that. Okay, and hooray! The design turned out to be more stable. Well, it remains to secure everything with a rope. Cool! What about Emma? Rick, you need to unload these boxes and use it for my tent.
Okay, sure. It'll be done, Miss Emma.
Great. Whoa, why is this fabric so long? Oh. Oh, I need this box. I hope Emma doesn't notice it's missing. We're taking it with us. And now, I'm going to tear the box apart. Great! Now glue the pieces together with adhesive tape. These will be my walls. We'll put it in a frame of sticks. And look at what a cute window I made with branches. Lovely! What's up with Emma? Whoa. Oh, you can do everything faster, please. I'm already tired of standing here.
Okay, ready, Miss Emma. Almost done. Here you go.
Super. Now take this money and spread it around the tent. Hurry up.
Yes, Miss Emma. I'll post each bill on the tent. It'll be done till the last bell. Cool. What's Rick doing there? I brought a suitcase with gold bars. Emma gave the task to lay them on near her tent. Done. We've done everything, Miss Emma. Your tent is ready.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Here you go.
Thanks.
Huh, what kind of carpet should I put inside? Pink or white? Pink or still white? It's decided. Helpers, spread this carpet inside my tent, and quickly.
Of course. We'll put this carpet. It looks good on me, though. I'm so cool in it. Rick, look at that. Kenny, you look like a clown. Go to work. Okay, we need to spread the carpet inside, and it will be done. We'll put a bedside table here and attach a TV so that Miss Emma can feel comfortable here. We'll also add a setup and a small table. There will be a popcorn machine and candles on it. Her favorite toys and candlesticks. Lots of soft pillows. And of course, don't forget about lamps. Perfection itself.
Whoa, what a beautiful garland. I like it. It needs to be hung. I'll put it on the floor as well. And I'll cover myself with a pink blanket. Here it is. How cute. Let's play. Whoa, how fun! I love arranging sweets in multi-do sword game. Flying into the jar! Yeah, I decided to catch fireflies so that it wouldn't be so dark and scary at night. I don't have any lights or garlands, but there is an eternal light source in the form of fireflies. Let's put them up here. And now I decided that with my fibers, I can decorate the walls of my tent. I'll paint on the cardboard. I love to draw so much. Mom doesn't allow me to paint on the walls of the house, but it turned out nice. Isn't it cool? Okay, I made a garland of flowers and I'm gonna hang it on the top. There's such a nice scent here now. I also found the perfect stump. And I can sit on it. Look! Uh-oh. Are these ants? What a nightmare! No, get away! There is a whole ant house here! What a nightmare! No! I'm so tired and it's so hot in the woods. It's time for the rest. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm hungry.
Getting ready, Miss Emma. You can serve it now. Your steak with tomatoes, potatoes, and rosemary is ready. Enjoy your meal.
Oh, it looks delicious, thanks. But I need a drink as well.
I will solve this problem. I need to open a Coke. Give me a second. Come on, you're not strong enough. I'll solve this problem. Give me a second. Oh no!
What have you done?
Sorry.
That was hilarious. Okay, let me move on to my task. I need to get some fire. And I'm so hungry. I want to cook something. But how do I make a fire? Okay, I'll come up with something now. Let me look for some food. There should be plenty of it in forest. Ah! Whoa, berries. Cool. So yummy. I want some more. Huh? Thank you. Wait, what? Who is that? A gorilla! Stop! A huge gorilla, no! How scary, don't eat me! I barely escaped, no way! Stay here! I'm being chased by a gorilla, no! Okay, I won't eat your berries anymore, I promise! I need to hide in here. Maybe he won't find me? Oh, no way! A gorilla found me! Emma! We have to run! I'm being chased by a huge hairy gorilla from the forest! What are you talking about? Why is there a gorilla here? I'm not going anywhere with you. Don't touch me!
Miss Emma, do you need any help? Look! Rick! Run away!
Sandy, there are no gorillas in the forest.
Then who is it? A huge, hairy gorilla? That brought us some berries? We have some bananas too.
Look, he likes it. So hilarious. Did you like our video? Then go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you later.